That time of the week, broskies. Latest pickup time. I've been a busy boy, but I've also been a smart one. The sales have been my best friend at the minute. With all the hype that's dropping, with all the L's I've been taking, these little sales, these little pickups, these little gems have made me feel that much better. This is a football boot cleat, whatever you guys want to call these. These are the Tiempo Legend hens, the Academy ones. I did pick up the silver pair with the Volt, as you guys probably saw in that last video. This emerald colorway, man, there was something about it. And also, I had to go half a size up in that shoe, which I have to send that back. So I got these for about £45 off eBay. Perfect sizing, went half a size up, fit great, look great. And yeah, I just need to get back into kicking a football again. 5 a side, 7 a side. I don't think I'll do 11 a side because yes, it's just long. Can't wait to wear them properly. I know the white panels, they're gonna get dirty, but man, they look really good. If I can wear these on AstroTurf mainly, then yeah, I guess they'll last a bit longer. But either way, this blue has been calling my name. These came out last year. No box though, but brand new, and I love them. So yeah, that's the first pickup this week. This is another gem I picked up. I know it's not a sneaker, but it's a Total 90 ball, old school Premier League badge there. I mean, come on, nostalgia, bruh. Total 90 ball, yellow, blue, black. Man. Picked this up on eBay again for about £25. So yeah, I mean, the new ones go for around that price, 20 quid anyway. Just a bit of nostalgia, one to sort of just leave there by the window and just keep an eye on, you know, just my childhood in a football. This for me, along with the Champions League Adidas ball and the World Cup ball, the 2006, I want to say, they're goated. That's it. Oh, oh, you like that? You like that? Okay, let's start off with a shoe you probably have seen if you've checked out my top 10 white Nike sneaker list. This has featured and on my Instagram too. Check out the box though, broskies. White and red, very different. 85 Jordan 1 low. What's weird though, it's the metallic blue. So you got a white and red box with a metallic blue shoe and white. But man, these are clean. Again, I picked these up for around £45 or £50, I think, after delivery and stuff like that. Foot Locker were going crazy with the sales. I wasn't gonna say no. I mean, the Jordan 1 low, yes, sometimes they can fit weird, but these actually fit great. I think the increased padding, the 85 cut to it, man, they make them look so good on feet. Very clean. Very clean. And it's one of those shoes you're never gonna think of buying for retail, but when there's a sale, you're just like, if I say no, I'm gonna regret it. Amazing pickup. So clean, versatile, shorts, baggies, you can't go wrong. It's like musical chairs over here. One shoe I've actually picked up in a different colorway, but I returned that to get these because this colorway is super clean. Before this though, I've got a shout out to today's sponsor, Gentle Bands. Broskies, I've got you covered. Rings upon rings. If you like it, then you should put a ring on it. Is that how the song goes? Beyonce? So just a little bit about the brand. Their mission's always been to create unique rings and yeah, just use different materials that you wouldn't see. Things like ancient meteorites, spacecraft titanium, and dinosaur fossils, and that's just to name a few. Now you've even got a cool little message as well that comes with the box, and yes, a certificate of craftsmanship. So each ring is basically registered individually. Now both rings are absolutely amazing. The musician though, this is something out of like a film. Like this ring looks so cool, but I really like how minimal it is. It kind of stands out, but at the same time, keeping it low key, you know? Now, when a ring is made of tungsten and guitar string, you know it's a special one. Now, I'm not taking anything away from the other ring that I've got, the Dillard. This ring is also made out of tungsten, so yes, very durable, but it's also got a bit of a shine to it as well. I do. Now you may be thinking, out of all the rings on their website, why did you pick these? You may be asking. They suit me more because they're mysterious, dark, but they're also flashy. I think that suits me well. But look, whatever your personality type, whatever vibe that you're going with, how you dress, how you look, Gentle Bands has got something for everyone. And at the time of recording this video, they also offer free engraving, so you can make it even more personal. Now, it wouldn't be a sponsorship without some discounts. You know, I always look after you. But this time, I've got you covered for 25% off. All you gotta do is click the link in the description box and use Life of a Broski at checkout, and you're good to go. You know, I'm just gonna end up shaking people's hands like that just to show off my rings because yeah, they look cool. Now this shoe I picked up in black. Yes, I got them on sale, £55, which was a great deal. It's just the black for me, bro, was just a bit boring. This colorway though, I picked up for even cheaper They were like £43 off Offspring. And yeah, the box is the same, very tiled all over with the Nike swoosh. Product sticker wise though, it does say Nike Lunar, and the official colorway is khaki, phantom, and light bone. These are so nice. Even though I've already seen them, I'm still wowed by them because they look cool. Now, as much as these are mostly for jogging and for gym, I just wanted a bit of color just to change it up because the black was cool, way more durable. Don't get me wrong, you can rock them to work, all that good stuff. But this time of year, you know, spring, summer's coming up. You just want to wear shorts and vibe out in the gym with something like this, something summery, you know? And plus, we saved some more money. We saved about 12 quid. So I wasn't gonna say no. Yeah, summertime, these are getting rocked like Dwayne Johnson. Does that make sense? Is there a pause in there? Lunar Roams, they're not the most comfy. I think once they're worn in, you know, they get a bit more comfortable and they're like a firm comfort. So yeah, the Nike Lunar Roams in the light bone and khaki. Now this is the last pickup. Literally ordered them yesterday, I want to say, and they came today, which is cool. It's a sneaker I wasn't meant to pick up. It definitely wasn't on the radar until one of the broskies, shout out Kill Switch. We look after each other, you know, whether it's a Discord group or, you know, Instagram DMs, just telling each other there's discounts, there's sales, all that stuff. And this one just popped up in my DM, thanks to Kill Switch. Oh my gosh, this is a strong box. Shout out to Goodhood. Asics and Hidden, these came out last year, I want to say. The Venture 6, bruh. The box is a whole vibe in itself. It's so cool, man. It's got that scientist vibe to it with the label about the shoe, the coordinates, all that good stuff, which we'll go into more in the actual review. Now, you might be thinking, why are you gonna review this shoe? Because it's that old. Well, you'll see why. This sneaker, it's nice. It is nice. I picked these up for about £83 with delivery. Product sticker wise though, it says Gel Venture 6 Shield and the official colorway is white and wasabi. What a cool box, man. This is what collabs should be about. Asics and Hidden. You did well. You did very well. Oh, wow. Wow, this is so cool, bro. Whoa. My mouth is watering. I'm salivating. Are you seeing these laces, bro? Oh my days. What the heck? Bro, this looks like, it's like hollow inside. It's like a hose. I've never seen anything like it. I feel like I wanna eat them. They're like, you know, the strawberry laces, but not strawberry. But these are cool, man. These are very nice. I love that sort of Tiffany blue hit, or wasabi, I guess they're calling it. It's so nice, very premium. The ripstop material underneath. And yeah, that shield feature to it, like the overlays being sort of, I wanna say rubber, but it doesn't feel like rubber. It's a very nice material though. And of course, Asics are killing it right now. The Gel Kernel 14s are definitely top 3 sneakers that I've been wearing and that I've been loving, but it's slightly giving me, from the medial side, Air Max 98 vibes. I could be totally out there. Maybe it's Air Max month and it's throwing me off, but from the angle I'm looking at it from, Air Max 98. Let me know though if I'm losing it or I'm right. Oh, but I guess, you know, test tubes, science, laboratory. Now it makes sense. Test tubes, you know. That's cool. That is sick. You know, I feel like they missed a trick with the laces though. They could have added like a green or whatever color that is, like a Tiffany blue. They could have added that color lace in the shoe. That would have been nice, but I'm not mad. Very premium, very well put together. Now, I would say they are true to size, but they're definitely sort of wide foot friendly from what I can see. There's a bit more space. It's not worth going half a size down. If you have to, you can, but I wouldn't chance it. Just go true to size. By the time you walk around in them, your toes are swelling up and yeah, you're all good. But true to size, I would say, so comfortable. I love how that ripstop material is light, so summertime, all good. I can't wait. I can't wait to rock these, man. Maybe gym, a gym shoe? I don't know. Either way, lifestyle, gym, I think these have got you covered. That is all the pickups from the last week or so. And man, these sales are getting me, and they're getting me good. Now, with all the hype stuff coming out, this time of year, we can feel disheartened, taking L's upon L's. Like myself, you just have to appreciate the little wins. You know, the retail pickups, the sale pickups, the shoes, the GRs that no one really cares about, but it means a lot to you. That's my sort of message of this video. Don't want to sound too philosophical. That's the word. Also, let me know your favorite pickup for yourself. Have you picked up anything? Are you waiting on, I don't know, the Jordan 4 Brick by Bricks or anything else out there? There's a ton. There is a lot going on. But anyways, broskies, gonna love you and leave you there. New tech channel is down below, link. Also, the link to Gentle Bands is also down below. Get yourself one of these cool things on my fingers. These rings are so cool, man. Get your discount whilst it lasts as well. Leave all your comments down below. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And yes, until the next episode, take care. Just look at it. Just look at the ring. You nutter.